It's a Tuesday morning. You're sipping your coffee, scrolling through your work email when you see it. A message from leadership announcing that your entire department is being restructured. Not because of budget cuts, not because of outsourcing, but because of AI. This isn't science fiction. This isn't some distant future. This is happening right now, today, across industries once considered untouchable. By this time tomorrow, another 36,000 workers will wake up to find their jobs replaced by AI. By this time next month, it will be over 1 million. The World Economic Forum projects that AI will eliminate 92 million existing positions by 2030. That's roughly 30% of current jobs, one of the most substantial workforce disruptions since the Industrial Revolution. And if you think your position is secure, you're likely underestimating just how rapidly the landscape is shifting beneath your feet. Even six-figure professionals, investment bankers, lawyers, and top-tier consultants aren't safe. AI has already started taking over these high-status careers, and the people in them, they never saw it coming. But here's what separates this analysis from the noise. We're not here to simply sound alarms. We're here to arm you with strategic intelligence and actionable frameworks to not just survive, but thrive through this transition. First, let's examine exactly which professions face extinction-level disruption, why they're vulnerable, and what this means for your strategic positioning in the coming years. The administrative sector is experiencing what can only be described as structural collapse. Companies across industries are eliminating entire administrative departments virtually overnight, not because these professionals lack talent, but because AI systems perform these functions with greater speed, accuracy, and at a fraction of the cost. Let's examine the 5 administrative roles facing imminent extinction. Data entry specialists. AI systems can now process data entry tasks with precision rates exceeding 99.8%, dramatically outperforming human capabilities. Natural language processing combined with computer vision allows these systems to rapidly extract information from virtually any document format, categorize it, and input it with near-perfect accuracy. Executive secretaries and administrative assistants. AI virtual assistants now effectively manage complex scheduling conflicts, prioritize communications, draft contextually appropriate responses, and coordinate meetings across time zones without human oversight. The World Economic Forum specifically identifies executive assistants among the fastest declining positions in their latest Future of Jobs report. Payroll staff. Modern AI systems handle increasingly complex payroll operations, including tax calculations, benefit deductions, and compliance requirements with 68% greater efficiency and 91% fewer errors than human-managed systems. This isn't about assistance, it's about wholesale replacement. Postal service clerks. Advanced AI-driven logistics systems are revolutionizing mail processing. Autonomous sorting machines now process up to 30,000 pieces per hour with error rates below 0.01%, dramatically outpacing human capabilities. This transformation has placed postal service clerks among the most rapidly declining occupations according to WEF data, record keepers and filing clerks. With organizational information increasingly digitized, AI systems now categorize, store, retrieve, and analyze documents far more efficiently than traditional filing systems. Natural language processing allows these systems to understand document content contextually, enabling sophisticated organization without human intervention. The administrative sector isn't being enhanced by AI, it's being systematically eliminated. Organizations are reconfiguring their entire operational structures to function without these roles. The window for administrative professionals to adapt their career trajectories is rapidly closing. But if you think only low-skill jobs are at risk, you're dangerously mistaken. Even six-figure professionals, investment bankers, lawyers, and top-tier consultants aren't safe. AI has already started taking over these high-status careers, and the people in them, they never saw it coming. The voice answering your customer service call isn't just AI-assisted, it is AI. Customer-facing roles were once considered fundamentally human. They required empathy, understanding, and the ability to build relationships. Or so we thought. AI has radically transformed our understanding of what machines can accomplish in human interaction. The data is undeniable and alarming for professionals in these sectors, call center representatives. Modern AI systems now successfully resolve approximately 80% of customer inquiries without human intervention. More significantly, customer satisfaction rates for AI interactions have surpassed those of human representatives by 16% in multiple industries. The productivity gap is staggering. A single AI system can handle the workload of up to 35 human representatives while operating 24/7. Telemarketers. AI-powered outreach systems have demonstrated conversion rates 28% higher than human telemarketers in controlled studies. Voice synthesis technology now creates natural-sounding conversations indistinguishable from human operators, while machine learning continuously optimizes messaging based on recipient responses. The World Economic Forum places telemarketing at a 97% risk of automation. Cashiers. Cashierless store technologies pioneered by Amazon Go and rapidly adopted by competitors have accelerated the decline of traditional cashier positions. Computer vision systems can now track multiple customers simultaneously, automatically processing purchases without checkout lines. Major retailers project 65% reduction in checkout staff by 2028. Retail sales associates. Basic retail functions, including inventory checks, product location, and customer inquiries, are increasingly handled by AI systems through mobile applications and in-store kiosks. Augmented reality shopping experiences further reduce the need for human sales assistants, with data showing that AI product recommendations outperform human suggestions by 31% in conversion rate. Basic customer support agents. Natural language processing capabilities now allow AI to understand customer problems contextually, access knowledge bases, and provide solutions without human intervention. In industries with standardized products and services, AI support systems demonstrate 43% faster resolution times than human agents. The revolution in customer-facing AI isn't simply about cost-cutting, it's about superior performance. Organizations are discovering that AI often delivers better customer experiences than human representatives. This fundamentally changes the calculation from "can we automate this" to "why haven't we automated this yet?" And this disruption extends far beyond entry-level positions. The transformation is now reaching roles once considered the pinnacle of cognitive complexity and financial expertise. AI isn't just processing financial data faster, it's making better investment decisions than humans with decades of experience. The financial sector once represented the epitome of knowledge work requiring advanced degrees, specialized expertise, and years of experience. Today, it's experiencing unprecedented disruption as AI systems demonstrate superior analytical capabilities across multiple domains. Financial analysts performing routine functions. AI systems can now analyze vast financial data sets, identify patterns, and generate insights with speed and accuracy that human analysts simply cannot match. Machine learning algorithms process market movements in real time, integrating news, social sentiment, and historical patterns to identify opportunities that would take human analysts days or weeks to discover. Bookkeepers and accounting clerks. Cloud-based AI accounting platforms now automatically process transactions, categorize expenses, and prepare standard financial reports with minimal human oversight. Studies indicate that AI-powered accounting software can automate up to 95% of traditional bookkeeping tasks, with error rates 80% lower than human-processed accounting. Bank tellers. Digital banking continues to accelerate, with mobile and online transactions now accounting for over 85% of all banking interactions. ATMs, mobile banking, and increasingly sophisticated AI-powered banking interfaces handle most routine transactions without requiring human assistance. Employment in traditional teller positions is projected to decline by 16% through 2026. Insurance underwriters. AI risk assessment systems analyze vastly more data points than human underwriters, identifying subtle patterns that predict claims with remarkable accuracy. These systems evaluate risk factors more consistently and rapidly than human underwriters, with studies showing 94% accuracy in fraud detection, significantly outperforming traditional underwriting methods. Loan officers handling routine applications. Standard loan applications are increasingly processed by automated systems that evaluate creditworthiness more consistently and rapidly than human loan officers. AI systems analyze not just traditional credit scores, but hundreds of alternative data points to make preliminary lending decisions without human intervention, reducing approval times from weeks to minutes. The financial sector is experiencing a fundamental restructuring of its value chain. As routine analysis and transaction processing shift to AI systems, the remaining human roles must evolve toward strategic advising, relationship management, and complex decision-making that leverage uniquely human capabilities. The disruption continues far beyond office environments. Next, we'll see how AI and robotics are revolutionizing physical operations and logistics, sectors once thought to be automation-resistant due to their physical complexity. If your career involves moving people or goods from point A to point B, AI isn't just coming for your job. It's already here. There are approximately 3.5 million truck drivers in the United States alone. What happens when autonomous vehicles can operate 24/7 without fatigue, without brakes, and with safety records far exceeding human operators? The autonomous revolution is reshaping the entire transportation and logistics sector with unprecedented speed. Delivery drivers. Autonomous delivery vehicles are already operational in multiple markets, with companies like Waymo, Nuro, and Amazon deploying self-driving delivery fleets at scale. Drone delivery systems further accelerate this trend, with studies projecting that autonomous systems will handle up to 85% of last-mile deliveries in major urban areas by 2029. Long-haul truckers. Self-driving truck technology has advanced rapidly, with research indicating that AI-powered fleets could replace up to 94% of driving hours in the next decade. Companies like TuSimple have already completed autonomous freight deliveries across multiple states, demonstrating the viability of human-free long-distance transport. Warehouse workers. Robotics and AI-powered logistics systems have transformed modern warehouses. Amazon's fulfillment centers employ over 350,000 robots working alongside a rapidly shrinking human workforce. These systems can process inventory, fulfill orders, and route packages with efficiency improvements of 60 to 80% compared to human-only operations. Logistics coordinators. AI algorithms now optimize shipping routes, track inventory, and coordinate deliveries with precision that human coordinators simply cannot match. Machine learning systems process countless variables simultaneously, weather patterns, traffic conditions, fuel costs, delivery windows, to create efficiency improvements beyond human capabilities. Toll booth operators. Electronic toll collection has already eliminated thousands of toll booth positions nationwide. Advanced systems now incorporate satellite-based technology and artificial intelligence for enhanced efficiency, with the electronic toll collection market projected to reach $11.4 billion by 2027. In Pennsylvania alone, nearly 500 toll workers were permanently laid off as electronic systems were implemented. The transportation sector faces a complete paradigm shift rather than incremental change. The economics of autonomous systems, operating 24/7 without labor costs, benefits, or human limitations, create irresistible financial incentives for rapid adoption. Workers in these fields face unprecedented urgency to develop transition strategies. But perhaps most surprising is what's happening in the creative sector, long considered the final bastion of human advantage. Let's examine how AI is transforming content creation and challenging our fundamental assumptions about creativity itself. AI isn't just writing product descriptions, it's producing Emmy-worthy scripts and creating artwork that sells for millions. The creative fields were widely considered immune to automation. After all, creativity represents the pinnacle of human cognitive achievement, our ability to innovate, imagine, and express complex emotions. But AI is systematically dismantling this last perceived advantage. Content writers handling routine content. Generative AI systems now produce coherent, contextually appropriate written content for standard applications like product descriptions, basic reports, and routine updates. For the first time, content creation roles have appeared on the World Economic Forum's list of declining occupations. Organizations report that AI-generated content performs equivalently to human-written content in engagement metrics for standardized formats. Graphic designers doing template-based work. AI design systems can generate multiple professional quality design options in seconds based on simple prompts. Template-based design work and routine visual production face particular vulnerability, with studies showing that design teams now produce 500% more content variations using AI tools while reducing production staff by 30 to 40%. Data journalists. For news content based primarily on data reporting and standard formats, AI systems convert structured information into readable narratives indistinguishable from human-written content. Financial reports, sports summaries, and data-driven updates are increasingly generated by AI systems with minimal human oversight, with major news organizations reporting 80% efficiency improvements. Media monitoring specialists. AI systems excel at analyzing vast quantities of media content to identify trends, track mentions, and generate reports. automated sentiment analysis and content categorization now replace functions traditionally performed by human media monitors, with studies showing AI systems can process and analyze approximately 10,000 times more content than human monitoring teams. Proofreaders and editors handling basic functions. AI language models now identify grammatical errors, suggest improvements, and ensure consistency in written content with accuracy rates exceeding 95%. While nuanced editing remains a human strength, research shows that AI tools reduce editing time by 70% for standard content, fundamentally changing workflow requirements for publishing teams. The creative disruption isn't just about efficiency, it's about scale and customization capabilities that humans simply cannot match. A single AI system can generate thousands of unique content variations tailored to specific audience segments in the time it would take a human to create one. This fundamentally changes the value proposition of creative services. And finally, we reach the physical production sector, where AI is transforming industries that have been the backbone of middle-class employment for generations. These changes signal a profound shift in economic structure that extends far beyond individual career choices. The factory floor that built the American middle class is now occupied by tireless machines that never call in sick, never demand raises, and work 24/7. Manufacturing has experienced automation pressure for decades, but the marriage of advanced robotics with sophisticated AI has accelerated this trend exponentially. The impacts extend far beyond assembly lines into food service, quality control, and specialized production. Assembly line workers. Industrial robots enhanced by AI now demonstrate unprecedented adaptability, performing complex assembly tasks previously resistant to automation. These systems operate with precision human workers cannot match, with error rates 94% lower than manual assembly, while operating continuously without fatigue or variation in performance quality. Quality control inspectors. Computer vision systems now detect product defects with sensitivity far exceeding human capabilities. AI-powered inspection can identify flaws at the microscopic level across thousands of products simultaneously, with studies showing these systems can improve inspection accuracy by up to 10 times compared to traditional methods. Manufacturing facilities report 80% reductions in quality control staff after implementing AI inspection systems. Food preparation workers. Robotic systems guided by AI increasingly handle standardized food preparation tasks, particularly in fast food environments. Companies like White Castle and Caliburger have deployed cooking robots that maintain perfect consistency while operating continuously. Quick service restaurants project 40 to 60% reduction in kitchen staff over the next 5 years as these systems become economically advantageous. Basic machine operators. Manufacturing equipment increasingly incorporates AI for self-monitoring, adjustment, and optimization, dramatically reducing the need for human operators performing routine machine oversight. Predictive maintenance systems anticipate issues before they occur, reducing downtime by 30 to 50% while eliminating positions focused on equipment monitoring and basic maintenance. Medical transcriptionists. The medical transcription software market is projected to reach $4.89 billion by 2027, with AI systems now processing medical records with accuracy rates exceeding 97%. Healthcare providers report 44.7% decreased documentation time through AI integration, fundamentally changing workflow requirements for clinical documentation teams. The manufacturing sector faces a complete restructuring rather than incremental change. Organizations that successfully implement AI-powered production systems gain such overwhelming competitive advantages in cost, quality, and speed that market forces virtually guarantee rapid adoption across industries. The disruption we've outlined isn't some distant possibility. It's unfolding now, accelerating daily, and reshaping the economic landscape in real time. But within this challenge lies unprecedented opportunity for those who position themselves strategically. Here's what the data clearly shows. This isn't just about job displacement, it's about job transformation. While 92 million positions may be eliminated, the World Economic Forum projects 170 million new roles will emerge by 2030, resulting in a net gain of 78 million jobs globally. However, these new positions require fundamentally different skill profiles, creating what economists call structural unemployment, where jobs exist but qualified candidates don't. This creates your strategic opportunity. While most professionals remain passive, hoping their jobs survive, you can position yourself at the forefront of this transition through three critical frameworks. First, leverage the AI-human interface. The most valuable positions in the coming economy exist not in competition with AI, but in collaboration with it. Roles focused on AI oversight, implementation, ethical governance, and strategic application show growth rates exceeding 50% annually. Start by identifying which AI systems are disrupting your field and become an expert user. Develop skills in prompt engineering and AI output evaluation. Position yourself as the translator between AI capabilities and business objectives. Second, cultivate irreplaceable human abilities. Research consistently confirms certain capabilities remain uniquely human despite advancing AI complex, creative problem-solving, ethical reasoning, strategic thinking, interpersonal influence, and emotional intelligence. Critically assess your current role. What elements require uniquely human capabilities? Actively develop skills in areas where AI performance remains limited. Reposition your professional value proposition around these irreplaceable human elements. Third, adopt a continuous portfolio strategy. The one career model is extinct. The data clearly shows that professionals with diverse skill portfolios and multiple income streams demonstrate 70% greater economic resilience during technological transitions. Develop minimum viable expertise in at least three complementary domains. Create multiple income streams that leverage different aspects of your professional capabilities. Implement a quarterly skill acquisition program focused on emerging market needs. The professionals who will thrive through this unprecedented transition aren't those with the most experience or credentials. They're those who demonstrate strategic adaptability and position themselves at the intersection of human and artificial intelligence. The next 24 to 36 months represent a critical window of opportunity. Organizations are actively restructuring their operations around AI capabilities, creating unprecedented demand for professionals who understand both the technology and its strategic business applications. Those who develop these capabilities now will secure disproportionate advantage as the transition accelerates. The comfortable career you thought you had, it's dissolving faster than you realize. But this isn't a moment for panic. It's a moment for strategic action. The data is clear. Passive adaptation is career suicide in the AI age. The three-step framework we've outlined provides your roadmap to seize control and build genuine AI resistance, starting today. If you don't have an AI strategy, you will be left behind. The difference between those who thrive and those who fade into irrelevance will come down to the decisions you make in the next 90 days. We're giving you the AI-proof career roadmap for free. Subscribe now or risk watching your career disappear faster than you think. The AI revolution won't wait. So why should you?